In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare timesheets for payroll in QuickBooks Time using a laptop. We'll start right at the source. Sign into your QuickBooks Time account on your laptop. Using an up-to-date browser helps things load smoothly, and if you're an admin or manager, make sure you're signed in with the correct access so you can approve time. Once you're in, look to the left navigation menu and click Time Entries. This is your hub for reviewing the hours employees recorded. You can switch between daily or weekly views depending on how you prefer to scan information. Take a moment to get comfortable with the layout. The goal is to spot anything that might disrupt accurate payroll before it gets that far. Next, set the date range for your payroll period. Choose the exact start and end dates that match your pay schedule. This ensures you're only reviewing entries that will be included on the upcoming paycheck. If your team works across locations or roles, using filters can make it easier to focus on specific groups while you review. Now, carefully review all employee clock-in and clock-out entries. Look for missing punches, unusually long shifts, overlapping time, or breaks that weren't captured. Click into an entry to make edits where necessary, and add a short note explaining any correction you make so there's a clear audit trail. If your organization tracks job codes, billable time, or PTO, confirm those are applied correctly and that holidays or sick time are entered as intended. This review is your chance to ensure totals, overtime, and any premiums match your policies. When the entries look accurate, go to Approvals from the left menu. Here, you'll see submitted time that's ready for your review. Open each employee's record to look for final discrepancies and make any last edits. If you need clarification, it's helpful to add a note on the entry so the history is clear for future reference. When everything checks out, click Approve to finalize the timesheets for payroll. You can approve individually or in batches, but the key is making sure nothing unreviewed slips through. Approval signals that those hours are ready to be sent to payroll. Finally, export or sync the approved timesheets to QuickBooks Online Payroll or your payroll system. Confirm you've selected the correct pay period and account connection. After the export or sync, verify totals in your payroll system before running payroll and resolve any alerts that appear so your numbers stay accurate. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.